Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this Nuobake GoPro protection set. This is what you get and even more. GoPro 9, 10, 11, 12. And we get the full set of protection. Comes with this wind muffler, comes with this ultra hard, super strong protection case, which is even floating. By the way, this thing is also floating. Then we get the hand strap, we get this hand grip, and you get 3 H9 glass protectors, one for the main screen, one for the camera, and one for the front screen. So full protection for everything outside, especially of course at beach, water sports. So I'm going to show you everything what you get, how to mount this, and how you can use that in the water. And so here we have this set. So we definitely get a lot. We get this soft case, we get this swimming case, and we get this handle, and we get also some glass screen protectors, and everything is really good quality. You can see that here. This swimming case, very soft, flexible, really a lot of cushion to protect against damage from drops. Comes even with the mount and the shoe. And if it has to go a little bit faster, you just want to have a little bit of protection, and especially protection against wind noise. Then we have this soft foam protection, very easy to apply. Just slide it in, pull it over the corners, align the openings. That's just a matter of seconds to put it on. But we can also add this handle, could be awesome for sailing, great wind protection, and also some drop protection. Yeah, I've been outside, tested the microphone in the wind, worked absolutely awesome. Microphone test with the soft case. Microphone test with the soft case with a lot of wind. You can see also the level of protection. There is no hard bumping to here, and this thing is also floating. I don't even need the handle for that. The soft case on its own keeps the GoPro swimming. I can even remove that so you can see that better. Would be an awesome protection for the kids in the pool or at the beach, and it still allows for all the manipulation, can do everything nicely. But for full action water sports, you probably want to go with this housing. We can just push it here inside from the front, easy to squeeze in, and then we have it perfectly inside. We can turn it on here from the side, and also here we have full access to everything. Absolutely no problem. We can do everything what we want as normal, and we can also pull out this mount easily and add also this handle here. And then we have the nice opening for the screw, so we can fully secure it. And also great water protection, swimming perfectly. We can push it fully down, but comes up of course again. And nicely floating of course also without the handle. You can take it out, you have access to everything, start, stop, control. Microphone test with the orange case from the front. Microphone test with the orange case from the back. And after the job is done, we can easily push it out from the back. You can see, so we have it here. Can easily grab it again. And this thing is even very easy to clean. What I really like with both of these cases or both of these protections is that we have access to all the buttons which we need, also to the mount here, but we do not have access to this port. You can see we have nice protection here from the right side, also here protection from the right side. So if you give this to children, it will also protect them from accidentally opening this port here on the right side. This is what happened to me last time when I didn't have such nice cases. When we were snorkeling out in the ocean, my daughter opened this accidentally and destroyed my last GoPro. So this can't happen anymore with these cases. And here's how to mount the screen protector. We have the wet wipe, we have the dry wipe, we have a microfiber cloth. And so first we are using the wet wipe here for the main screen, for the camera, and also this screen here. Then we are using the dry wipe on both of the screens and the camera. You can also use this towel if needed. Also important to use the dust absorber to make sure that there is no dust on any of the screens. So we align also the screen protector for the front screen. Push it down nicely, push all the bubbles to the side. And then the large protection for the back. Removing the protection. Align it also properly here, and you can see goes nicely, closes and removes all the bubbles automatically. We give it a nice wipe And so it's exactly as before, just much more protected. Yeah, absolutely awesome protection. There is nothing to see, no additional reflection or so. Not here from the front screen, also not on the camera. And also this monitor you can see looks exactly the same as before, just has this extra protection. And it works also exactly the same way. You can see we can do everything, same response as before. So it's a really nice set. Of course, it's probably not like a professional protection. I've noticed some bubbles which I couldn't remove here on the front screen on the side. I have already removed it once, put it back and removed some of the bubbles. So maybe you can see that better here a little bit, that it's lifting up from the side, but it's really just something at the outside. Here on the main screen, I haven't noticed that. Also on the lens, I can't see any major reflection or so, not really more than before. And so everything fits nicely. We get even this additional shoe, this mount here. I don't know where we could put that. Maybe add this underneath, then use the hand strap. Of course, I haven't been using that now live at the beach or the ocean, but I would say from everything which I've been able to do here inside, everything looks really good, makes a good impression. I've been a little bit worried about this thing, if I could easily add it and remove it without breaking the camera, and it seems to be absolutely no problem. There's just one little disadvantage here. If you're planning to use the GoPro Media mode, you can see this thing here is super tight, and so when you have the screen protector on it, you won't be able to fully slide it here inside. So I had to remove the screen protector for the main screen. I would say for the current price of only a little bit more than $30, if you need some extra protection for your GoPro, go and get it. See what you can use and how it works for you. But for me, it really makes a good impression. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.